How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So for that, just simply open your Tonkeeper wallet, and after that just simply log into your account, or if you have the account in the Tonkeeper wallet already. And after that, in order to withdraw the money from the Tonkeeper wallet, so there are two ways through which you can withdraw the money. So in the first way, you can sell the Tonkeeper that you have in the wallet. So in order to sell them, just simply click on this buy and sell option from the home screen itself, and over here you have multiple options through which you can convert your ton coupons into the real money while converting them. So you have Mercury, New Crypto, and other options. So you can click on them and click on open Mercury, and after that it will redirect you to the page where you can enter the amount of Tonkeeper that you would want to withdraw as a real money, and you just simply have to enter the amount. For example, you want to pay this much, 300 USD, and you will get this much amount. So you can click on buy and sell accordingly, and then you can withdraw the real money from the Tonkeeper wallet into your bank account or any other account that you are using for that matter. And the other way is to send the Tonkeeper to your bank account or any other account. For example, you are using Binance, so just simply click on the send from the home screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called address or name. You just simply have to address the wallet name, for example Binance if you are using that, and from there you just have to enter the address of the wallet, for example Binance, and after that you just have to enter the amount of the Tonkeeper that you would want to withdraw, and from your Binance account you just simply have to withdraw the USDT or the Tonkeeper into the real money to your bank account. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.